Hello, welcome. Thank you for joining me today. I wanted to give you a brief story of my experience this morning. This is Reverend Dr. Anthusa Helena, owner, developer, and founder of Sollite for healing and conscious awakening, offering training programs and private holistic psychotherapy sessions. Now, my message has always been that pain is a gift. It's an opportunity for us to heal and evolve our awakening process. So the last couple days, I had been experiencing some emotional upheavals over a situation that occurred. And I had been processing in my normal way with my holistic tools that I offer. But early this morning, I woke up and I had a very intense pain in my upper right shoulder in the lung area. So obviously, I was very alarmed, especially during these trying times that we are experiencing globally with our health, as well as equality and injustice areas. And a lot of us are suffering financially. So I remembered I had tools, and I sat with the pain, which was really quite intense. From a level from 1 to 10, it was a 10. And it triggered my nervous system, the area in our brain that puts us into fear, the normal stress model response of fight, flight, or freeze. Had I just remained in that fear state on alarm and not sat and contemplated and felt my pain and listened for the message, I would still be having stress and anxiety. Now, this is what I offer in my training programs, that we have an inner physician, we have inner wisdom to heal ourselves and also to receive guidance. This is one of the theories, basically, of cranial sacral therapy, which I'll speak about a little later on. I like to name it, and I'm working with this acronym right now, GPS, God's precise signal. Now, if we ignore that signal, my experience in the past is we will get a greater signal later on in the near future, which could become more serious for our health and well-being. So I'm introducing today the Integrative Medicine Training Workbook and Video Series that goes along with my 6-month training. This is a self-discovery journey that I guide you through, as well as you learn the modalities and the knowledge that's gained in those modalities to work with yourself, or if you are a professional, to offer to your clients. And as you do this journey, you actually go through the experience so you know how to guide your clients through the same journey as well, so they can be helped the best that they can. This is all factual, scientifically researched, based on medicine and spirituality. I've been trained by all medical doctors that are renowned in these areas that they have founded. And I've been certified by them to train and teach others. So let's move on with the outline of what I'm presenting today. Okay, we have the power to heal, but what needs healing has to be brought to our attention. Look at what is coming up for you. Certainly, much has been now for all of us, including myself. You need to become aware of what's coming up and listen to it. That's the signal of the pain. On whatever level that pain is showing, whether it be physical, mental, emotional, spiritual, or energetic. My private sessions are a personalized brand of conscious counseling, which utilizes therapeutic applications of consciousness based on a holistic psychotherapy model, incorporating all the modalities outlined in the practitioner training program. Integrative medicine bridges the gap between medicine and spirituality. This outline, as I go through it below, is in sequential order. Each topic is a month-long area of study that we delve into deeply for its experience and its teachings. Starting with the first two levels, they are going to be the foundation of the remainder of the program that brings you, and it all interplays as I go through it. It brings you all together at the end to be able to incorporate this holistic integrative medicine technique. First month, going to explain these very briefly. Color and light therapy. This is the foundation of what we are made up of, which is light, with a spectrum of hue colors. Our cells speak to each other through light, known as photons, light particles. This is actually the body's communication network between our cells, which is our basic makeup. The next one, month-long program, again, a foundational basis, is awareness in the brain. These outline the physical mechanisms in our brain that store our emotions, our beliefs, any trauma that has occurred, and our conditioned habits throughout our lifetime that we have achieved and believed in, that have made imprints within our bodies and all areas: mind, emotions, energy, and spiritually. Rewiring the brain with energy psychology clears the underlying core issues in your unconscious and subconscious mind, which is where things are stored. Third month works on the physical level of our being. Cranial sacral therapy, as I mentioned before. Their theory is the body has inner wisdom to heal itself, but you need to get in touch with that inner wisdom, which is part of the training. Your cranial sacral system holds your two most important communication networks of your body: the nervous and the endocrine system. The nervous system is all the nerves that run through all your body, that bring the messages from your main computer system, your brain, to all parts of your body, your organs, your tissues, muscles, bones, and cells, and so on. Then your endocrine system, regularly known as your hormones. But when you look at more metaphysical or spiritual aspects, such as yoga, the endocrine system is the energetic network, which means it communicates more on multidimensional realms to the rest of your body, your soul, your spirit, and cosmic realms. This program also helps you connect with your own body's inner wisdom to heal itself. As I mentioned before, the inner physician, and also the inner wisdom to guide you, give you guidance on areas of your life. The third program is Medical Qigong. This is the energetic form of traditional Chinese medicine. It works on your internal organs to clear toxicity from your organs. And once the toxicity, the emotions, and what we think of achieved habits, traumas, conditioned thinking and behavior, once that is cleared, then we utilize color, light, sound, and medical Qigong prescription exercises to help you restore and rejuvenate the internal organs. With the help of a medical Qigong trained therapist, your energy fields are also cleared and worked on in the same manner. Next month-long program is Heart and Soul Healing. It is through the heart we enter the realm of the soul. In this soul-focused healing method, we tap into multidimensional worlds for complete healing, focused on the ancestral, cultural, and mass consciousness realms of our being. And lastly, spiritual medicine. This utilizes sacred qualities and frequencies and vibrations through divine light and sound codes that help you heal, manifest, and awaken to the truth of who you really are, while strengthening at the same time your connection with Source. So I hope you realize how these all interplay and interact with each other, especially in the sequential order, starting with the foundational area of both who we really are, what we made up of, light, and the structures in our brain that all mammals, instinctual animals, of which humans are, we have these mechanisms to keep us safe and out of danger. And then building on the physical, energetic, mental and emotional, and spiritual levels. Please, I offer you to log on to www.sollite.com for more detailed information. You can click the links under private sessions, which incorporates all these models of integrative medicine within our conscious counseling one-to-one sessions, and the link on practitioner training. So you can view more detailed information about the 6-month training program. There also is a therapist level for those who actually want to do it professionally in their work that follows the initial practitioner program. That has much more detailed information on both practitioner and therapy levels on the website to view. And while you're visiting Sollite.com, I offer a one-page free PDF complimentary gift on tools for conscious awakening. Please feel free to upload that as well and offer this to a colleague or a friend that you think also may resonate and enjoy the outline of what I offer and benefit from it. Thank you again for taking the time to view and listen today with me. And I offer you or wish you all the best to stay safe and well, and that your life be full of joy, abundance, and meaning, with purpose of what you enjoy doing in your life to offer for humanity. Thanks a lot.